So if you watch my channel, you would know that I am freaking obsessed with Yuxin Little Magic. And they recently made a Yuxin Little Magic 2x2. The thing is, the Kungfu 2x2 is already like the Yuxin Little Magic of 2x2s. Let's see if this cube could one up that. You know, I feel like I'm totally unqualified to make a video about this cube because I never do 2x2, but screw it, just take a look at it. Alright, here it is. The size feels good, fairly lightweight, colors look nice. Alright, let's do some first turns. Okay, yeah, I don't really like it, honestly. You know, I was expecting that this cube would be really good because I was like, Yuxin Little Magic, well, that must be really good. But like comparing this cube to like the Kungfu 2x2, it doesn't really match up. So it's really fast, but the corner cutting really isn't that great. Like it's doesn't really go there, so that means it's going to lock a lot. As for the feel, it's okay, but yeah, like it's just too fast. The corner cutting isn't good enough. I think if I loosened it a bit, so the corner cutting could be good, and then put like a lot of solar lube, I think it would be okay, but out of the box it isn't great, and I can't recommend this over the Kungfu 2x2. Other than that though, there isn't really much to say about it. It's a budget cube, but I mean, the Kungfu 2x2 is also a budget cube, so like even though this cube is good for its price, that cube is better for its price. Anyway, that's all for this unboxing of the Yuxin Little Magic 2x2. If you'd like to, give it a like and subscribe. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.